Hi everyone, this is Dr. Casey Lane. I'm a teacher in environmental engineering, and what I'm going to show you really quickly is our water treatment demo that we show off to all of our students in ENGR 10 and ENDE 101. So if you're an environmental engineering major, you get to play with this. If you are just thinking about engineering, this might be a good way to get you interested in environmental. So what we have here is our control panel. This is a project that was made by electrical engineers and civil engineers together in the past. And we've got some source water. We've contaminated that source water with some contaminant, and we now need to treat it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pump that water up into this basin over here. And this basin is what's called a coagulation basin. You can see that there's what's called a flocculator inside of it, and that's going to turn around and around and around, and it's going to mix up chemicals so that the chemicals come in contact with our contaminant. And you can see kind of these floaty particles here. That's called flock, and that flock is settling out on the bottom right there. You can kind of see that layer forming. As that settles out, the clean water is going to go over this weir right here, this little V-notch, and it's going to go through what we call a sedimentation tank. And through that sedimentation tank, we should settle out particles. It's then going to flow over this weir right here, and we've got a little pump that's going to pump that all the way up and over into our filter. Our filters are really important when it comes to drinking water treatment. We've got a layer of rubber on the bottom, some gravel, and then some sand. So hopefully this is going to filter out your contaminants. And then from here, this is going to go into a disinfection chamber. So we have a little fake UV light, and that would disinfect the water. It would get rid of microbes, and then it would go out to your house through your distribution system over here. So the idea with this demo that you're seeing right here is this mocks up what water treatment looks like in the real world so that you can get an idea of how that works. We should be removing contaminants all the way from that blue bucket over there where our source water is, all the way out to distribution so that when you drink it, it's nice and clean. And that's our water treatment demo. This is part of environmental engineering. This is one of our demos that we like to give. Please come and stop by and see this. We'd love to show it off to you.